Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the latest Goodbudget features. Goodbudget continues to modernize the classic envelope budgeting method by rolling out powerful updates designed to streamline personal finance tracking for both free and premium users. One of the most notable features is Advanced Bank Sync, available for GB Premium subscribers. This functionality allows users to connect their financial accounts directly to the app through Plaid, removing the need for entirely manual data entry. Once transactions sync down, Goodbudget utilizes a smart suggestion system that learns your spending patterns over time, making it significantly faster to categorize and confirm transactions into your digital envelopes. Alongside automated bank feeds, Goodbudget has enhanced its need-to-confirm workflow. A dedicated confirmation page highlights incoming transactions that require your review, ensuring that split transactions, debt payments, and account transfers match correctly before finalizing your budget totals. For mobile users, recent updates bring improved user interfaces including a running balance display, gallery cards for easier account management, and a bank pending flag to track transactions that are still processing through your financial institution. Furthermore, Goodbudget supports household sharing across multiple devices, including Android, iPhone, and the web, allowing partners to stay completely aligned on real-time spending, annual savings goals, and debt paydown strategies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.